Okay, but so let's start the class without any delay. Okay, just a moment. I'm taking one or
Okay,
two
sir.
questions first before starting the class. In the previous class, we have done the you can say average velocity and speed, right?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's good. Just a moment. I'm taking some question. So I have one question for you. This is the okay. Try this question, Mitchell, and let me know the answer. I think just a second. Okay, and then we'll start a new topic. In the last class, have you did you have any assessment which are related to average velocity and speed? Samya and Saad, please tell me, did you have any assessment, MCQ assessment on the app of average velocity
Sir.
and speed?
No, sir.
No, you didn't have.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, just a moment. The test was active in your account, and I have also mentioned you, but none of you taken the test. Why? Saad and Samya, what happened with you? Saad, are you there, dear? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm asking that have you took the assessment that was active in the last class or not? Yes, बच्चों बोलो.
No, sir.
Why?
So no.
What was the reason, Jay?
Forgot, sir. Sir, I forgot to do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Samia, what was your reason, dear?
Sir, I was not having the phone in which my student account is there.
अच्छा ठीक है. So any answer from this question which you please tell me.
Sir, done.
Done. What is the answer then? Let me know in the chat. Okay, Samia. Saad, what's your answer? ठीक है, चलो ठीक है. Okay, so let's do this question. So question is saying that a motorcyclist is there, basically a person who is driving a motorcycle and he's going from A to B with a uniform speed of 30 km per hour and returns from B to A with a speed of 20 km per hour. So basically this is the 30 kilometer. So suppose this is the 30 kilometer route. Okay. And if a body, suppose this is A point and this is B point. Okay. And he's going with this in this direction, he's going A to B with 30 km per hour. And if in this direction, it is going 20 km per hour. Okay. So you can see this thing, Bacho, that just a second. Okay, so you can see this thing. So total distance will be what? Can anybody tell me what will be the total distance if I'm going from A to B and B to A? Saad and Samia, please tell me. What will be the total? 2x. Where is x come from, dear? Samia? Where
Sir,
does
we
the
don't
x
know
come?
the accepted speed.
Your voice is lagging a little bit. Can you please speak it again, Bache?
Sir, we don't know the average speed.
Just a second. Dear, I'm not saying the average speed. I'm saying that what is the total distance in this journey if I'm going from A to B and B to A again?
60. So 60.
Yes, 60. That's what I'm asking, Muchin. 60, because you can see the 30 kilometer in one direction and 30 again in one direction, right? So
Yes.
distance always added, always. So this will be 60 kilometer, right? So this is 60 kilometers. So, and the next would be total time. We don't have total time, but instead of total time, I have the speed of the different journeys, right? So what will I do? I will find out the time taken by this journey and time taken by this journey and add them up, right? So first of all, speed AB, it means that going from A to B will be distance upon time. Okay. So I'm assuming that this is time 1. So T1 will be equals to T1 DAB, you can say, by SAB, right? So this will be equals to 30 divided by 30. So this is coming out to be 1 kilometer per hour. Yes or no? Sorry, 1 kilometer per hour, 1 hour. Sorry, 1 hour.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because this is time, na? So this is 1 hour, right? Next, SBA will be equals to distance by time again. That is coming out to be T2 by SBA divided by, sorry, DAB or DBA or SBA. Is equals to DBA is what? 30 again, distance. SBA is 20. So this is coming out to be 1.5 hour, right? So total time will be equals to T1 plus T2 is equals to 1 plus 1.5 hours. So this is coming out to be 2.5 hour or 5 by 2 hour, right? Yes or no, Bachu?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now I have got the total time. So average speed is nothing but total time by total distance by total time. This is coming out to be 60 divided by 5 by 2. So this 2 will go in the numerator because this is a double division. So 60 into 2 by 5. So this will cancel this 12 times and 12 2s are 24 kilometer per hour will be your answer. Okay, Sami, your answer was correct. I think Saad, you have made one mistake while solving the question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that's why you got 4
I
kilometer
made
per
a
hour.
mistake. Yeah,
Yeah,
I made a mistake.
because average speed cannot be less than its actual
Okay.
speed. It will always be greater.
Okay.
Okay, so just a moment. Achha, last question and then we'll do the next topic. Okay. Saad, you have attempted the already average speed and average velocity. You said you forgot, but it's showing that you have submitted. You got 66%.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Samia, so you didn't took the test. So you didn't take the test. So I will try to reactivate it for you.
Okay,
Yeah. If it's possible, but I'm not sure that it is possible or not. So just any answer?
settle.
Okay, Samia, very good. What about you, Saad? Saad, Bache, any answer from you?
Well done.
Done. Okay, let me know the answer in the chat. Okay, Sami gave me the answer. Saad gave me 65. Okay,
Sir, I
Samia,
gave
what's
the
your
answer.
answer?
So I'm giving.
Okay, okay, chill, chill. Okay, it's good. Okay, okay. So let's find it out. Both of these students are getting different options. So let's verify which one got the correct one. The question is saying that the distance between Agra and Delhi is 200 kilometers, right? So suppose this is the distance. Suppose always try to draw this kind of straight line when solving the numericals of this chapter, right? और just a second ऐसे करते हैं इसको दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं सो जस्ट पहले सबसे पहले डिस्टेंस टोटल डिस्टेंस ले लेते हैं d is equals 200 किलोमीटर ठीक है एंड ओके this is the average speed so average speed is 70 kilometer per hour ठीक है yeah so yeah okay and speed 1 is 50 kilometer per hour ठीक है so now let's draw this diagram okay so this diagram is saying so suppose have you ever visited to Agra
No, sir.
no
Yes.
okay okay चलो कोई बात नहीं so this is 100 and 100 ठीक है so first speed is basically 50 kilometer per hour ठीक है and the average speed is basically nothing but 70 kilometer per hour right so it means that if I cover this journey with a 70 kilometer per hour 70 kilometer per hour speed I will take the same amount of time that is taking right here right and that is s2 okay so here you can see this thing t1 is there so it will take a t1 time yes or no बच्चों and
Yes,
this
sir.
will take a t2 time so first of all हम लोगों को देखना है first of all we have to find that देखो I have total distance I have average speed I can get the total time or not yes or no right average speed just a second is equals to total distance by total time yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have average speed I have total distance I can calculate the total time yes or no so t will be equals to d by s okay so d is 200 average is 70 so this will cancel this is coming out to be 20 by 7 hour yes or no clear है
Yes, sir.
ठीक है
Yes,
so now you can see this thing t1 will be calculated by with the same manner because speed and distance is given for t1 for this journey yes or no so s1 will be equals to d1 by t1 yes or no I need t1 s1 is already there d1 is already there so t1 will be equals to d1 by s1 yes or no so d1 is nothing but 100 d s2 s1 is nothing but so this will cancel and coming out to be 2 hour yes or no
Yes, sir.
so bacho
Yes,
if
sir.
I can calculate t2 by subtracting 2 hours from this total time the total time is t1 plus t2 I need t2
Yes, sir.
with t so I need t2 so it will be t minus t or t minus of t1 yes or no bolo is this clear or not so this will be 20 by 7 minus 2 so taking LCM so say 7 will be the LCM and this will be 20 minus 14 is coming out to be 6 by 7 hours. Please tell me, is this clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? So now I have got the value of I've got the value of T2, so I can calculate the S2 because I need speed 2. So speed 2 is equals to D2 by T2, yes or no, bacho? So T2 is 100 again, T2 is 6 by 7. So this will go in the numerator. So this will come out to be 607 by 6. So 50 by 3. And this is coming out to be 57, the 350 divided by 3. So if I do this, if I make this in else, you can say the fraction form, sorry, a decimal form, will that will be 116.6. 67 kilometer per hour should be the value of the value of the object, speed of the object to cover the next 100 kilometer per hour, so that the average comes out to be, what should be the average? 70.
Yes, sir.
Clear hai?
Yes,
Any doubt so far to you, bachot?
yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes,
So Samya, you got the wrong answer, bache. I think you made some calculation. Acha, Saad, you got the wrong answer. Yes, Samya got the right answer. Okay. So I think you made some very basic mistakes, Saad. Don't worry. Try it. Always try. Don't like you can say don't give up. Sometimes you will find some ways to get the correct answer. Right now, if you're getting wrong answer, don't worry about it. Okay.
Yes.
Sure, that's good. Okay, so okay, so now it's time to move on to the next topic. So let's understand what uniform speed is, uniform velocity is. Okay. Okay, dear Sir, you have to work a little bit on your calculations so that you can get the correct answer.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
dear. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
After this class, that Sad, I have given some questions. You will receive some questions as well. But after this class, the questions that I have done in the class, that we have done in the class, please attempt these questions as well so that you can practice and get your
Okay,
correct
sir.
answers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So uniform speed is what basically. Suppose that this is 100. This is a part. Suppose this is the thing. Okay. So suppose this is any distance s and this is again any distance s, right? If a body is covering same amount of distance in equal interval of time, that is t and that is t. So this type of speed is called, like this type of journey will be called as uniform speed journey. It means that the object is covering this equal distances in equal interval of time. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
no, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. So that's what equal. Just a second. Okay. So it means that, so uniform motion is different, uniform speed is different. Basically, uniform speed is the part of uniform motion, right? Uniform speed comes into under the uniform motion, right? So we will do the uniform motion once we will start the acceleration in the next class, Bijo, okay? So now I just wanted to give you idea what uniform speed is, what uniform velocity is, okay? So just a second. A body uniform speed it travels equal distances equal intervals of time. Yeah. So this is a uniform velocity part. Got it? So uniform speed, Sorry, my bad. Uniform speed. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. And what basically uniform velocity is? Uniform velocity is nothing but it's, you can say, the velocity, basically the direction or the magnitude of speed is not changing. Okay. Let's talk about the uniform. Okay. So uniform velocity. So if you talk about uniform velocity, Bacho, so uniform velocity means that a body has a uniform velocity if a body is traveling in a specified direction along a straight line. It means that body, suppose, is going in this direction only. Okay. So direction is given, but it is going in one direction only. It is not changing its direction at all. And the speed as well, basically, and the remaining part is same. It means that equal distances will be covered in equal interval of time along with the same along in basically in the same direction. Okay. Sami and Saad, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Body has a specified direction in a straight line. Moves over equal distances in equal interval of time. Clear, Bacho? Is this clear to you? Saad and Samia, any doubts so far to you, Bacho?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is what? This is the a body has a uniform velocity if it's traveling in a specified direction. If body changes its direction, then the velocity will not be uniform. Okay. The factors that I'm writing in front of you will be basically the factors. If any of the factor changes, velocity will also change. Okay. If A part by changing the speed of body body. Second part is okay, by keeping the speed constant. If you have basically if you change the speed of a body, velocity will also change. Basically, velocity is what? Velocity. If you add direction to the speed, it will become velocity. Yes or no, Vacho?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So it means that if you
Yes, sir.
change the speed, obviously, if you change the magnitude, so velocity will definitely change. And if you keep the speed of a body constant, if you keep the speed of a body constant, but by changing the direction. But if you change the direction, so your velocity will remain same or it will change, Bacho?
Sir,
Hmm?
Sir, change.
change.
It will
Change.
change, yeah. Okay. So okay, so this is the definition for the. So basically, suppose that let's take one example, Bacho, that suppose body is moving with 100 km per hour in east direction. Without changing its speed, our body has moved towards south. The magnitude is same. It's moving with the same, you can say 100 km per hour timings. So is the velocity changing right here or not?
Sir, change.
Yes, Sat. Please speak a little bit louder. Be bold. Don't worry about the wrong answer if you give me the wrong answer. That doesn't matter to me.
Changing. Sir,
Yes,
changing.
yes, changing. Okay, but what about you, Samya Bache?
Sir, it will change.
It will change. Why? Can you give me the reason why it is changing?
Sir, because the speed of the body will change.
Yes, Samya, you said something, Bache?
Yes, sir. Sir, because the speed of the body will change.
Yes. No, speed of the body is not changing. Only its direction is changing. So that's why velocity will change. Okay. Velocity have two factors. If any of the factor changes, it will change. Anything that is not clear to you, बच्चों?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear है सब कुछ? Everything is clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, that's good. Okay. So after this class, in the next class that we will be taking will be based on the you can say so basically we'll start the uniform basically acceleration topic. Okay. So acceleration topic we will start. So please don't miss the next class and revise the previous concepts as much as possible, bachcho, okay? So that you can prepare it properly. And because next class will include all the topics that we have covered so far. That will include the average speed topic. That will include the speed and distance, speed and velocity topic. That will include the distance and displacement topic. Everything that we have done so far will be included in the next topic. Is this clear to you, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
ठीक
Yes,
है?
sir.
Just a second. Let me take one more question before ending the class. Try this one question and let me know the answer. Any answer, Sami and Saad? Any answer, बच्चों?
So when
No, sir. No. Sir, done.
Then what's the answer? Let me know in the chat.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, okay. Yeah, option C is correct. Both of you got the right answer. Very good. So basically the formula or the thing that you can see directly if you want to convert from meter per second into kilometer per hour, so that will be 0.06 meter per second. That I've told you that a number is there, that is 5/18 for converting kilometer into meter per second. But right now I have to convert it into kilometer per second into kilometer per hour. So this will be 18/5 kilometer per hour. So this is coming out to be 0.216 kilometer per hour. So this will be your answer. Please tell me if it's clear to you or not, Bacho.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to
yes,
you?
no,
That is not clear to you? Are you sure?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so in the next class, Bacho, we will do the acceleration topic. Okay, yeah, please come in the class in the next